Okay, YouTube, this is the Overweight Gamer with another gaming amnesia. This is the second one, so let's go. Let's continue on our journey. Journey. Loading screen with audio. Loading screen with audio. Got the audio working today. The audio is working. Wearing my headset in the dark at night. Okay, let's continue. Catalogs. Stupid chair. Nope. 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 Oh, dinner box. Show me the light. Open the door. Study. Interesting. Oh shit. What was that? Don't eat me. Please don't eat me. I am not good to eat. Note.
16th of May, 1839. The unflinching African sun has continued to plague our expedition, making it impossible to dig until dusk. How Professor Herbert managed to find the location in these vast plains of nothingness remains a mystery to me. When I asked him about the tomb again, he told me about the legend of Tin Hanan, the mother of us all. An interesting story in its own right, but I can't help feeling there's more. Later that evening, we uncovered a passage beneath the dunes leading to a sand-covered stone structure. The professor was confident it was the tomb we sought and ordered the others to clear the way late into the dark, cold night. Tomorrow, I shall lead the men into the ancient structure, hoping to reach the burial chamber. No matter what the professor is keeping from me, the dig should yield something interesting to take back to London and the British Museum.
Wow. It's really interesting. Open. Says seed. Pot. Oh shit! Chair. I am not tasty. I'm really not tasty. There's so much fat in my body that you would not survive on it. Wind coming from a bookshelf? Why is there music? I bet when I walk over there, there's gonna be no one there. Literally. Like, no one playing the piano. I'm probably the only person in this game. I had oil the whole time. I'm so stupid. The door leading to the local history room is locked. Is there another entrance? Another way. Let's go. Jump. Looking. Walking. What the hell? I have a rock and I'm not afraid to use it. I am not afraid to use this rock. What did I tell you? There was no one playing this piano. There's no one there. Just chill. I am wasting my tinderbox like a boss. Am I trapped in here? Yep. Crap. Fragile but not breakable by hand. Huh. What the hell? Well, I just broke it by hand. I hope you saw that. I broke it by hand and it says not breakable by hand.
"17th of May, 1839. My hands tremble as I write. I feel a need to document my tribulation, for I fear that my memory will fail me if I linger. Today, I took some men and ventured into the dark, ancient passage we uncovered. Our torches burned faintly in the murky air as we slowly made our way underground. The men were superstitious and fearful. They argued loudly, and I felt their strange language getting to me. I mustered my strength and yelled at them to continue down the slopes and broken steps. The crudely carved passage confused me. It looked much older than the 4th century structure we had expected. The twisting path emerged into a great antechamber. The walls were lined with statues unlike any I'd ever seen. Despite their unearthly quality, I felt a strange familiarity toward them, which haunts me still. At the far end of the chamber, a great slab of stone sealed off whatever lay ahead. I gave the order to raise it, and as I pushed through the narrow space, the heavy stone suddenly dropped, sealing me inside. I was trapped.
Wow. Whoever's lifting that stone wasn't very strong. Find help, Stone. Go. Guess not. Floor plans. Interesting.
Much of the castle is old and hasn't been tended to for centuries. When the shadow arrives, it won't take long until things start falling apart.
We're just buying time anyway. Let's do what we can.
There isn't much to be done about the wars. We should reinforce weak structures. The ground will tremble and there's a risk everything will cave in on us, especially downstairs. Here, and there. Let's get the servants working on it.
I wonder what they mean by the shadow. Oh, probably some oil. Tinderboxes, yay. Tinderbox barrage. Win. It's not that hard to crawl through a window thing.
You have to be swift when you activate the first one. You hear that? If it stops, you'll have to start over.
Isn't all this a bit excessive?
You can never be too careful, Daniel.
Interesting. Light. A draft and faint life are coming on this shelf. And there must be a way in. There's some sort of door mechanism in one local history. Maybe it opens that bookshelf thing. Why is that bulging out? Can I pull it? It's bulging out. Oh. It's the same size as the thing. Maybe I should find the other one. Not there. Not there. Not there. Oh, it just stopped. Come on. Get out of there. That's what she said. I'm just kidding. Where's the other one? There's one. And there's another one. Last one? Oh, last one. Awesome. Well, before I go to that, I think there's a note over here. Yeah. Break the shelf. I have that one. That one. More nothing. God, there's a whole lot of nothing here. Key. What the fuck? It's gonna eat me, I know it is. I know it's gonna eat me. It's not there. What happened? It's a jump scare. People. Sorry if I have to read out loud. Oh, this is open. That was the local studies thing. Something like that. I think I'm gonna go out now. Open the wine cellar. What the hell is that? Oh shit! Run, 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 run! Don't eat me, don't eat me, don't eat me. Please, 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 please don't find me, please don't find me, please don't find me, please, 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 please. 60, there you are. You gone? Oh, Jesus. What the hell was that thing? Just stop right now, dude. think it's gone. You go first. Finally, it's there. Oh shit. Sounds like it's digesting. I'm still burping or something like that. Just gonna make a run for it. He's not there. Sand gave way from the tired body as he fell from the camera's back. He felt the wind gently sweep across his face and his dry, crusty lips. Maybe we should need some chapstick. God. What was that shit? Ow! That is not good. Is that Jello? No. It's not Jello. Maybe I should go back to the wine cellar. Wine cellar, here I come. I think it's this way. Nope. No shit, Sherlock. A handful of stuck so he pushed down the Bruins hat. He braced himself as he found himself on the ship. Interesting. Where do I go? Probably down. Just gonna go down. Go that way.
Where did the Baron go?
Who cares? He left us enough wine to last us a lifetime. Or at least until tomorrow.
Here's the map. It'll tell us where to go. In the next episode. Have a great day, lazy people. Comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.